Everyone, I am Melody Kahigasawakan. I am the second reporter of Group 2 in Chapter 6. This is the short, very short, about the El Filibusterismo. This is the character of El Filibusterismo. So, these are some of the major character in the novel. So, the first character, which is Simeon, the continuation of the character of Crisostomo Ibarra, disguised as a wealthy jewelry, bent on starting a revolution. Using his wealth, he encouraged the people who experienced abuse to join him in his rebellion against the church and the government. So, the second character, which is Basilio, he is Caesar's son and was adopted by Capitan Tiago, boyfriend of Julie, and as aspiring doctor. The next is Isagani, the poet and Basilio best friend, portrayed as emotional and reactive student leader. Paulita Gomez boyfriend before being dumped for fellow student Juanito Pales. So, the next is Kabisang Tales Foro Juan de Dios, a former kabisa di barangay. Una siya ang barangay head. Then, who resurfaced as the feared Luzon bandit, Matanglawin, Tagalog for Hauki. So, his father, Tandang Selo, died eventually after his own son, Tano, who became a Guardia Civil, unknowingly shot his grandfather in an encounter. The next character, which is the Don Custodio, his real name, which is the Custodio de Salazar E. Sanchez de Monteredondo, a famous journalist who was asked by the students about his decision for the Academia de Castellano. In reality, he was quite an ordinary fellow who married a rich woman in order to be a member of Manila High Society. So the next is Paulita Gomez, the girlfriend of Isagani and the niece of Doña Victoriana. The old India who, passing racial identity, passes herself off as a peninsularis or peninsular, who was the wife of the quack doctor Tiburcio de Espadaña. In the end, she and Juanito Pales were wed, and she dumped Isagani, believing that she will have no future if she marries him. So the next is the Father Florentino, Isagani godfather and a secular priest, was engaged to be married but chose to be a priest after being pressured by his mother. The story hinting at the ambivalence of his decision as he chose an assignment to remote place, living in solitude near the sea. So, next is si Juliana de Dios, the girlfriend of Basilio and the youngest daughter of Kabisang Tales. So, next is si Bin Zayab. The real name is Abraham Ibanez, and he is the journalist who thought he was the only one thinking in the Philippines. So, okay, the next character, which is the Placido Penitente, a student of the University of Santo Tomas who was very intelligent and wise but did not want, if not only by his mother plea, to pursue his studies. He also controls his temper against his physics teacher, Father Melon. So the next is si Quiroga, a Chinese businessman who dreamed of being a consul of a consulate of China. In the Philippines, he kept Simeon weapons inside his house. So the next is si Tandang Selo, father of Kabisang Tales. He raised the sick of young Basilio after his mother Sisa had died. The next is the Father Fernandez, the priest friend of Isagani. He promised Isagani that he and the other priest will give in the student's demand. So the next is the Attorney Pasta, one of the great lawyer of mid-Hispanic Manila. So the next is the Kapitan, general or no specific name, the powerful highest official in the Philippines. So the next is the last character, but this is not the whole character, the all character in the El Filibusterismo. This is the short and the important character. The next is the Padre Sabella. Hernando de la Sabella, a Filipino friar and now Vice Rector of the University of Santo Tomas. So that's the summary of some character of the El Filibusterismo. So let's move on the comparison of No Limitang Hiri and El Filibusterismo. No Limitang Hiri and El Filibusterismo vary in many aspects, although they are written by the same author and are supposed to be dealing with the same story and have the same characters. So the No Limitang Hiri is a romantic novel. It is work of the heart and a book of feeling. It has freshness, color, humor, lightness, and wit. So whereas ang El Filibusterismo is a political novel, it is a work of heel and a book of the thought. It contains bitterness, hatred, pain, violence, and sorrow. So Jose Rizal original intention was to make the El Filibusterismo longer than No Limitang Hiri. However, El Filibusterismo is shorter than Noli. It contains 38 chapters, whereas 64 chapters of Noli. Comparison of two novels of Dr. Jose Rizal in No Limitang Hiri and El Filibusterismo. Sa napublish ang No Limitang Hiri is on March 21, 1887 in Berlin and Germany, while El Filibusterismo is September 18, 1891 in Ghent and Belgium. Spanish language, No Limitang Hiri and El Filibusterismo. Then the English language sa No Limitang Hiri, which is the Touch Me Not, Social Cancer. Then the El Filibusterismo is the Reign of Greed. Reign of Greed na siya in English. In Filipino, ang No Limitang Hiri is Huwag Mo Akong Salingin. Then, the El Filibusterismo in Filipino language, which is the Ang Paghahari ng Kasakiman. So, the genre which is the No Limitang Hiri is the genre of romantic novel, story exposing the real situation in the Philippines. While the El Filibusterismo, the genre is political novel, a story of revenge and revolution. Then the concept of the No Limitang Hiri, which is the toward pacifist, choosing faithful reforms through education of the youth, colonial discrimination, and idealist introducing reforms. But the concept of El Filibusterismo is to revenge the suffering of the family and countrymen resulting from bitter and traumatic experience, failure of the revolution planned by Simeon. So the dedication of the No Limitang Hiri, which is Motherland, and the dedication of El Filibusterismo is the Father Gomez Burgos and Zamora, which is the Gomborza. And the length of the No Limitang Hiri, which is the 64 chapters, while El Filibusterismo is 38 chapters. So mas longer ang No Limitang Hiri. Then, No Limitang Hiri influenced by the novel entitled Uncle Tom's Cabins, while El Filibusterismo influenced by Saved by Valentin Ventura. So that's all for today. Thank you.